Ngiqinisa likhe emhlabeni uwelona owenza kanje la eqinisa likhe emhlabeni waza nendlebe ngize nendaba allegedly yazi ngithule ngiyabuka nje ngithi hayi zoke ngibuke hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ayithulekile tu abantu badla ushathapha yabona lento eyenzeka lapha kuda ukuthi abasamfuni uJohn Mbhabhadisi ukuthi kube umholi weqembu abiyenzeka ngapha ke-MK ngabe ink ugcwele amaphepha into ngabe uyibona indiza lapha ku Twitter kanye ku X la o live khona la ku TikTok ama radio station ama interviews ngabe liyabhuka ukube nje kuthiwa kumele nje kushintshe ubaba uNcamalala ku-MK manje hayi abe liyabhuka kodwa manje ngoba lento yenzeka kuda ukuthi bafuna ukukhipha uJohn Mbhabhadisi then ke bese kungena uGogo uGodzilla kuzoba uye umholo omusha hayi ayikho leyo nto ayikho nje usabathe uthi uya scroll awuyiboni kungani ingoba lilodwa iqembu la eSouth Africa elizama ukuphazamisa umbuso wabacindezeli iMK lingakho kumele yonke into ngisho ukuthi ubaba uNcamalala uyakhwehlela uyaqhuzuka nje into encane nje sekumele kuze kumi country kuyiRandi kwenzeke yonke lento wonke umuntu wants to talk now they know the news ngoba ubaba uNcamalala even ngapha kwa Green ziyakhala ukuthi sithulile ziyakhala njengamanje PEC Gauteng neKZN bayayireconfigure manje bafuna ukuthi kungene abathile mhlambe kofaka ocele leKZN ngiyacabanga ngapha eGauteng angeke ngize ngazo bakhona oSnooki Vilakazi ubani Zikalala bakhona mhlambe yiba bazofaka la eGauteng ukuthi buyiselana idala ngoba into ebalekile njengamanje ku-ANC of Ramaphosa is the DA. That part is very important. It must hold South Africa ngekhuqu ifakwa i-ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa. So this leadership yaseGauteng under the ANC was the last hope for abantu who still believe ukuthi the ANC was captured pre-1994. So they saw a spark kule leadership ye-ANC yaseGauteng ukuthi awu nayo into esiyifunayo ke thina uyabo nesiqiniseko sokuthi they see ukuthi vele the next elections abantu baseGauteng they were going to vote in numbers for ANC Kapanyas Gauteng. So they are crushing that now. They are crushing so that kuzongena leadership ezovumela ukungenisa iDA abantu bazophela ispirit to vote in the next elections and then iDA will prevail. Once iDA prevails then it takes over Gauteng. It's got iLokhuzana Western Cape on the other side kancane kancane they will move up. The only pity ke ukuthi KZN angeke bayinunge khona khanda qinile KZN bayazazi abantu bakhona ukuthi umhlaba wabo akusiyo ndle beyikhanyilana abasicindezelayo nokwenza bangcono nalabo enhlaleni basho nini ukuthi baxhasa ubaba uZuma ngoba kusho ukuthi bayamaza umuntu yabo labo enhlaleni khuluma ngabo Olivenberg nithi hey ingani nina nikhuluma ngelokuza ngemonopoly capital bayini bayamaza umuntu mabekwazi ukuxhasa umsholozi yabo. So nje nina nikhuluma nize nikhihliza amagwebu mabe kuthiwa khona into eyenzakala ku-MK ngisho kungakhumuka nalikepisi liwe la libuyiswa umoya hey izitsheke imlomo wathi uLokhuzana uLokhuza umtshengiseni abanye bakhuluma kuze kutsheka amaduke emakhando nina ake nje kwathi nje kwasha ku-MK manje ngoba kwenzeka kulamaqembu eneniwathandayo kukhona naleli qembu lengalazi engathi liphakathi nalo ngiyathemba lizazi whether li GNU or outside GNU or ifuna ukuba iGNU I don't understand. Nabakhuluma beze bakhiliza amagwebu makuyinto ethinta iMK because they are threatened ukuthi their cash cow will now kick them ukuthi why are you quiet, ungakhulumi ngalapha. Makuyi MK the yibo phambili manje ngoba this thing is happening to the masters, so no one is talking. All live laba esihlala sibabona kanti yini leni izondela abantu abamnyama. Uye abantu abamnyama ngibuza nina, especially nini enibomvu, nizondelana kanti njani nina nibamhlophe? Nibamhlophe nina. Siya understand lokho kwababa wenkomo. Vele siyamazi ukuthi uyinhloboni kaPenda. Kodwa nina niyasiphoxa ngoba nani besithi sihamba sonke. Mangabe senithi nina so enemy number 1. Niliphi kanti nina kahle kahle? Niliphi? Ngoba kumanje nje uma uthi uyabuka upost video la ama comment amaningi abuya kini. Ama comment negative wodwa. Mina ngeke uzungibone nje ngibhesha ilokhuzana iqembu leni. Especially umlungu mayezokhuluma into negative ngeqembu leni bese ngiyamsupporta mina. Khohlwa. Ngeke ngimsupporte mina umlungu ezothi uJulius Malema EFF. Asupportwa yimi. uJulius Malema wakithi mina. Julius Malema unje. Wakithi uJulius. Angeke ngivume umlungu azokhuluma kabi ngoJulius. Bese athi nina niyakwazi umlungu ukuthi akhulume kabi ngoZuma bese niyamsupport umlungu. Ni enemy umuntu omnyama nina. In fact, almost all people from the EFF, they hate black people. They want to masquerade as the Pan-Africanists, but they hate black people around the EFF. That's why anything that a white man wants about a black person will be echoed by the EFF. The EFF will never call on anyone, any white person who talks ill of a black person. But mina, angeke ngivume mina umlungu akhulume kabi ngoJulius in my presence. Ngeke, angeke ungizwe umlungu ekhuluma kabi ngoJulius ngibuke ngizokhuluma la ku-EFF. Ngithi hey, unless uJulius uyikhulumelena ngomlomo wakhe. Ngathi umlungu akhulume kabi ngoJulius just like kwenziwa kuZuma ebese ngiyamsupporta mina. Hayi khohlwa mina umuntu wakithi omnyama ngistenda naye. Noma ngaze kuthiwa wrong ke ngistenda naye because abelunga ngeke umlungu wakubo uma ngabe wrong bengamsupport, they always support each other. Yithi kuphela iphukuphuke ezazi ukuthi umuntu uma ngabe ukuthi wrong kumele simlahle. Abelungu they support each other. For that reason, now I stand with my black people.